How is life to become a data scientist? Isn't it hard, or isn't it really a horrible degree course? How to win an interview. But before that, I would like to introduce myself first. This is Professor Vincent Tori Bongolan, a data scientist by profession, with more than 18 years of experience in technology and analytics. Half of his career was spent in analytics, and his life is breath with numbers. Right after his graduation in 2004, he was easily landed a job in a quasi-judicial agency of the government, NLRC, as a government statistician, where he stayed for a year. He took up bachelor's in applied statistics, master in applied statistics, and he has taken 24 units in the Bachelor of Laws at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines in Mesa, Manila. Due to the global pandemic outbreak, many companies here and abroad have shifted online or in digital space for new normal type of work collaboration. This kind of business model is not new to him, because in 2010 he started working remotely through Upwork as a freelance statistician and data analyst, where he supports individuals, groups, and organizations who outsource their projects on the website. He earned his credibility because of his commitment and initiative to deliver what is appropriate and right for the project, and not just based on the request of the clients. He always discusses what is needed for the project to have an insightful recommendation. He values money of his clients. That is why he wanted to deliver what is right and just. He is currently attached in a BPO company as a senior business insights manager too, where he managed 3 pillars of the organization, namely reports and visualization, analytics and insights, reports development and analytics. Each pillars have distinct and unique role in the organization, supporting different teams and departments from operation, quality, training, workforce, human resource and other team within the organization. He started leading the team with only 7 members, and in a short period of time, he managed to grow by doubling the team's composition. He is committed to help the organization to grow and deliver the client's expectations. That is why he reached out the team to make sure that we deliver what is expected from us. He firmly believed that we should work together as a team. Aside from TDCX Philippines, he is also working as a senior professor 1 at De La Salle College of St. Benilde, where he handles various statistics and technology-related subject courses, such as social media analytics, big data fundamentals, fundamentals of descriptive statistics, introduction to statistics, predictive analytics and prescriptive analytics, and other related subject courses. He wrote a program course for the School of Professional and Continuing Education about emerging technology, such as programming for analytics and non-analytics. His drive and passion in statistics and analytics, he was motivated to share his skills and competencies in that area, led him to publish a book on research and statistics. His passion does not end here, because he is also a contributing author on different e-learning platforms, such as Udemy, LearnDesk, and similar platforms. He is also using his YouTube channel to share related videos and contents by discussing various topics related to machine learning, artificial intelligence, predictive and prescriptive topics, which will benefit the public and supply the demand for data science and business intelligence. Prior working to TDCX Philippines, he is a data science and analytics supervisor at VXI Global Holdings, where he also manages team to support other teams, such as quality, operations, training, and collaborate with global business insights teams. Before joining the VXI Global Holdings, he is the senior data scientist and artificial intelligence lead for innovation at the Asian Development Bank, ADB, one of the biggest commercial banks in the world, where there are more than 54 member countries. He works with various teams in the organization in developing application for the Pepper robot from SoftBank Robotics in Japan. He is also part of the automation, RPA, projects of the internal processes of the bank. He also developed a chatbot deployed in the IT system so that the personnel can get immediate response on their concerns or problems raised to the IT support or help desk. This natural language processing application was an internal initiative of the bank in response to the pandemic to decommission some of the tasks that previously catered by human. He is also the former Senior Data Science Associate Manager at Accenture Philippines, where he handles and leads subordinates with their projects related to analytics and data science. He also handles SAS-based infrastructure. He obtained his certificate for SAS-based programming and Python programming language when he was with Accenture Philippines.